How to embed a YouTube video in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video in Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open your Base44 account and then click on the apps button at the top left of your screen to be able to view all of the applications and projects you've created with Base44. Click on that specific project where you want to add or embed a YouTube video, and then go ahead and open YouTube on another tab. So this is how it basically looks like. So on this tab, go ahead and search for a YouTube video that you want to embed. So I'll simply search for a royalty-free YouTube video, which I can simply embed with my application. Click on the share button at the bottom of that YouTube video and then click on embed. Then copy this embed code that you have in here and then head back to Base44. Paste that code into the command prompt section and then go ahead and describe where you want to add that code on your application. So Base44 would immediately generate the version of your application with that embedded video. So take note that this is a best workaround if you actually are a free user of Base44. But if you have an upgraded plan on Base44, you can simply add that code, embedded video code, into your code section, and that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.